Welcome to Art Smart! And I'm Teacher Precious. Ngayon naman, tuturuan ko kayo paano magawa ng Faux calligraphy. Pag sinabing Faux, F-A-U-X, hindi siya yung totoong calligraphy na gamit ang brush or brush pen. So, ang materials natin ay pen or ball pen or kahit anong panulat. So, now, let's start. What's the first letter? Letter A. So, gagawin natin cursive, ha? So, meron akong graphing paper. Pwede din kayo gumamit ng ruled paper para lang may line. Sige, sulat muna tayo ng letter A. Capital letter A. Usually, start tayo dito sa line. Pwede kayong, yan, nagawa tayo ng up, down. Sa faux calligraphy, gagawin nyo lang siya na, actually, pwede nyo gawin. Parang normal writing lang, pero ang gagawin natin, kakapalan natin siya. So, ganito. Okay, gawa ng letter A, tapos small letter A naman. Ang technique, lagyan nyo ng space. Huwag nyo masyadong siksikin. Huwag masyadong dikit-dikit, ha? Ganito yung gagawin natin, ha? You will add a line here. Dito. At dito rin. Yan. And dito. Tapos, you will shade it. So, for B, so up, down, and then curve line, curve line. Then the small letter B naman, mula sa baba. Pag nag-letter B ako, mula sa baba. Up, down. It's like letter L. Gawa muna kayo ng parang letter L. And then, curve. Ngayon, ang kakapalan nyo are yung downward strokes. We will double the lines for the downward strokes. Pag pababa, dodoblehin nyo lang. Kuwari, ganito. Diba? Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Yan. Dito rin, up, down. Up, down. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay? You can shade this after this class. Okay, para lang makita nyo. Pero, you can review, ha? But for now, you can just do the lines. Mamaya na yung shading kasi it might take a long time. We have to finish all the letters. And so that's how you make letter B. Okay, next letter, letter C. Yung letter C naman, ha? C, down, up. Dali lang yung letter C. Down. Nako! You know, kailangan mag-practice kayo ng lettering. You know, you have to practice writing because during this time, di ba, puro online, puro type sa keyboard. We always keep on typing on our keyboard. What about our handwriting? We have to practice our handwriting, di ba? Also, you can use this when you make greeting cards. Diba? Letter C, downward, di ba? Downward stroke, up, down, up, down. Yan. Lahat lang ng downward strokes. Okay, practice kayo. You can use this when you make greeting cards, di ba? Pagkagawa ng mga pangregalong birthday card, ganun. So, for letter D, simple na lang na letter D. Okay, and then from here, draw letter C first. Up, down. Then, paano natin kakapalan? How can we make it thicker? We write here, downward, and then from here, up, down. Remember, you will only make the downward stroke thicker. Yung pababa lang yung dodoblehin nyo, ha? Ito, up, down. Yan. Then, let's shade it. Okay, for letter E, it's like a reverse number 3. Sa cursive, ha? Okay, and then letter E, for this one, and then, diba? Yung pababa yung dodoblehin natin. Adagdigan ko lang din. And let's shade it. What's the next letter? Letter F. Okay, so from here, look. Para siyang letter T muna. Up. Up. And then down. Okay, and then, whoop. Anong letter F? Capital letter F to, ah. Then, yung small letter F naman, parang gagawa kayo ng parang loop, loop, pero mas mababa. Ooh. You need practice for this, ha? It's really hard to get this the first time. And then let's make this thicker, yung pababa ng letter F. This is up, so no need to make it thick. Yung pababang lines lang yung kakapalan, di ba? And then this line up, down. Yan. Okay, letter F. And then let's shrink it. What's our next letter? After letter F, letter G. And so let's make a curved line lang. Ganito lang muna yung G natin, not the curved line kasi mas advanced. A simple letter G. And this letter, then smaller letter G, yung mas maliit naman, gawa kayo ng parang letter C, pero pataas. And then, look, pababa. Whoop. Yan, di ba? And then, look, mayroong space dito. May gap. Kasi di ba kakapalan natin, we will make the letter G thicker. So, I placed a gap here. Medyo may space. Magdikit-dikit. Okay, so now, let's make it thicker. Let's make the downward strokes thicker. G. Ito naman, from here, downward. And from here, thicker. Yan, ganun lang siya. Yan. Okay, let's letter G. What's our next letter? Letter H. So for H, let's do a nice letter H. Lagyan din natin siya ng parang loop na ganito. So from here, up, down, gawa kayo ng parang letter J, tapos whoops, up, down. Ako, medyo mahirap to Practice lang. Yan, and then the small letter H. So from here, let's make like a letter L first. Gawa muna kayo ng letter L. But, we'll make the second part of the letter H. Oops. Yan. And then, let's make the downward strokes thicker. Kapalan natin yung pababa, ha? Up, down, up, down. Yan, dito naman. Up, down, up, down. Nainggit kasi ako. Sabi ko, bakit yung iba ang galing mag-calligraphy? Ako marunong mag-drawing pero ang pangit ng sulat ko. But so what I did, I practiced. Next, letter I. Pwede mula dito, down, then up. Yan siya. Capital I. Then for the small I, usually ganun lang naman siya. Up, down. Then, lalagyan natin ng thicker lines, yung downward strokes, di ba? Up, down. Ito lang ang kakapalan natin. Ito naman, up. Move line here, and then down. Then, don't forget the dot. Ang ating letter I. What's the next letter? J. From here, tingnan nyo, ganito ako magsulat ng letter J. Pataas. From here, up, then down. Tapos may small letter J. Ganyan ako magsulat ng letter J. For small J naman, mula rito up, down. Ganyan lang siya actually. Okay, so paano pakapalan? From up, down. Diba? Small letter G naman. Up. Okay, tinan nyo to. Medyo masikip yung pagkakagawa ko dito. It's a bit tight. So instead of drawing the second line on the left side, I'll draw it on the right. Make the lines double. Don't forget the dot. Yan, coloran. Okay, next K. So from here, look up, down. Tapos from here, whoops. Medyo mas mababa para may style. I made it lower so there's a bit of style. From here, so up, down, up. Yan muna. Ang letter L. Then dudugtungan natin. We'll put the curved lines. There are two parts ng letter K, small k. So from here, we're gonna make a loop and then look pababa. Okay, now let's make the effect sa letter K. Let's double the downward stroke. Up, down. Ito naman, Ito medyo tricky yung letter K kasi downward pareho eh. So, down. Ito rin medyo pababa eh. Pero sige. Down. Pwede na natin doblehin. So, for letter small k, ito madali lang. Up. Down. Up. Down. Ito din down. Medyo tricky lang yung letter K. Sige, letter L. Lagyan natin ng loop dito. So, from here, lagyan natin siya ng gano'n. Whoops! Whoops! Whoop! Ito, letter L, small letter L, madali lang. Sige, ilan natin dito. Yan. Nag-overlap lang. Yan. Okay, letter L. Let's kapalan natin yung downward strokes. Up, down, up. Pwede natin kapalan kahit wag na pala. Up, down. Okay, next letter. What's our next letter after letter L? Letter M. Diba? Let's do the letter M. So, from here, let's do letter M. Okay, so, down, up, down, up, down. Yan. There are many ways to write letter M. This is just one way. Ganun din yung small. Same lang. Pwede natin idugtong. And down, up, down, up. And then look I put a space kasi we're doing faux calligraphy. We will add another thick line kaya may space. But if you're just doing it normally, usually dikit-dikit siya. So let's make the downward strokes. Two downward strokes. 1, 2. Then dito, downward ha. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Yung downward strokes lang yung kakapalan nyo, ha? Next, what's the next letter after letter M? We have letter N. So, up, down, then up, down. Here, up, down, down. Yan. Our next letter is letter O. Meron lang siyang parang O, tapos meron loop. Ganun din yung small letter O. Hirap lang ito pag dikit-dikitin. Pag nandidikit-dikit na kayo. O, loop. And tapos, just make the downward stroke thicker. Kapalan lang yung pababa. Yan. Okay, now we have letter O. Okay. Now, after ng letter O, what's our next letter? Letter P. So, from here, down, up, down, up, down. Yan. Yung small letter, ganun din, ha? Up, down, down. Yan. Up. And then, let's make the downward stroke sticker. Kapalan natin yung pababa. Susundan lang ulit natin. Up, down, up, down. Ito rin. Up, down, up. Oh, kaya dito na lang. Down. Pala natin. Next letter after P, we have letter Q. So, circle. Parang O muna and then meron siyang tail. Dito naman sa Q, may letter C. Paakyat and then like that. Then let's make the downward stroke thicker. Q down, up. Letter Q. Okay, next letter. Next letter. So, letter R, ganito. Mula rito, parang letter P lang. Up, down, up, down. Pero meron siyang tail. Okay, letter R. Up natin ha. Up, down. But may ganun ha. Letter R. Ganyan no, may loop. Tapos pababa ulit. Okay, you can review this video. You can watch this again. See, some letters are very difficult to write. Diba? Pero nung unang panahon, ang gaganda. Naalala ko when I was in elementary, you know, my elementary teachers have very good handwriting sa chalk. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga handwriting nila. Okay, try natin to Up. Parang mas gusto ko siya sa right side kasi masikip na dito. Ayan, letter S tayo, letter S. Yan, S. Pero sa small letter S, pag ganito, mula sa baba, up, down, up. Sige, from here, up, down. Pwede nyo i-extend. Next, after letter S, letter T. Doon natin letter T, ha? Ganito, from here, tingnan nyo. Up. Pwede nyo siyang idugtong ng ganun. Pero pwede rin dito na sa baba. Yan, T. Okay. This one, letter small letter T, parang letter L. Make a small letter L. Up. Down. Up. Tapos yan. Okay, next letter after T. Letter U. Okay, from here. So, padali lang letter U. It's easy. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. And then a small version. Then let's just make the downward stroke sticker. Ng ating letter U. Okay, next letter V. So, up, then straight line, down, straight line, up, tapos make curve. So, letter V naman, pababa, ganun din. Then, make downward strokes, sticker. Next, W, up, down, up, down, up. What's the next letter? After W? Ay, letter X. Up, down, up. Tapos, straight line, sliding line lang dito. Yung small x is just the same. Now, yung downward strokes for the letter X, is ito lang. Only this line. After letter X, Y. Letter Y yung next. So, from here, sige, up. Parang gawa kang letter U na maliit. Up. Then down. Good. Same with small letter Y. Make a small letter U. Gawa mo na kayong small letter U. Okay, and then last letter. Ganito ako magsulat ng curve Z. You can do the Z like that, but this is how I write my letter Z. Z. Ito yung traditional cursive writing ng letter Z. Then smaller lang siya pag smaller letter. Here! So that's our letter Z. Yan, alright. So thank you so much for joining us today. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you!
Know your art, be art smart.